Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kathy. On November 7th, 2024, Judge Stephen Hippler signed an order that I am hoping will start a trend of ceasing what I like to call virtual Mount Everest of documents, information, and things that have been kept from the public in the Idaho 4 case from the beginning. Sometimes based on requests from both sides, state and defense, that have said, we need to keep this information, this motion, this request for discovery, this other information, response to discovery, from the public domain because disclosure could harm the safety of individuals with nothing else given, no explanation at all. How it is state of Idaho, who's raised this good cause grounds to keep information off the public docket, given Mr. Kohberger is not, as far as we know, allowed to leave the jail on day passes to exact revenge on someone. If the public were allowed to see some of these records, how anyone's safety or life could be in danger. So some of the explanations like this that we've gone over in the over 320 episodes of the Indie Zone, where we go over each and every document on the public docket since number 1, which was the affidavit of probable cause. We've seen so much information kept from the public. Well, we have an order now that I am hoping will stop this trend. It is the order for permission to file exhibits under seal for the hearing on November 7th, 2024. It says here, the court having before it the motion for permission to file exhibits under seal for the hearing on November 7th, 2024. And if you review the docket, this is the defense's motion. And it doesn't explain which hearing specifically, because there were a number of hearings on November 7th, 2024. Nonetheless, the order goes on to say, and good cause appearing now therefore, it is hereby ordered, the defendant shall be allowed to file their exhibits under seal relating to the hearing on November 7th, 2024, and the court then cites to the specific rule that allows for this relief. But then he goes on to say, it is further ordered that the documents shall be filed under seal because of the confidential nature of information contained within the documents, and that disclosure of the documents could impact a fair trial. But what's very interesting is what Judge Hippler writes here. There is a handwritten sentence, a little hard to read, but what I think it says, the defense will provide redacted copies in the public record. So it appears what Judge Hippler is saying, what I hope Judge Hippler is saying, is yes, these exhibits can be filed under seal, but something needs to be filed on the public record in a redacted format. We will now wait to see what the defense does to comport with this court order in the days to come, but I certainly hope that this means that there will be a change of not just automatically and having order after order entered to have so many things withheld from the public, which in my opinion has led to so much speculation about this case, and that we'll start to see at least something released to the public. Thank you, as always, for your time and attention today.